Hello and welcome back to our series of videos about muscle. So far I've gone over a lot of the molecular events that underlie muscle contraction. Now we're going to zoom back out and look at some of the more macro kind of large scale characteristics of muscle fibers, starting with muscle fiber types. Okay, so muscle fibers can come in different types. Um, a couple of them are shown here. These are kind of like the two extremes that I'm going to be talking about in this video. The different muscle fiber types differ in a variety of characteristics, such as their resistance to fatigue. So fatigue is what happens, it's basically a smaller response to the same stimulus. Okay, so less force created by the muscle in response to the same stimulus. So that's fatigue. Um, they're going to differ in their duration of contraction, how long they contract for. They're going to differ in their maximum tension produced. So tension and force, when we're talking about muscle, are interchangeable. So the maximum amount of force that they can produce. And they're going to differ in their speed of contraction. So how quickly it takes them to get to their maximum tension or their maximum force that they can produce. Okay, so let's take a look at these muscle fiber types. The first type that I'm going to talk about is the slow twitch fibers, also called type 1 or oxidative fibers. This is a picture, like a cartoon of a slow twitch fiber, and this is a photo of a cross section through a slow twitch fiber. Slow twitch fibers are characterized by these characteristics here. They are slow to develop tension, hence the name slow twitch. Okay, so the muscle contraction itself is kind of slow. Um, the contraction generally lasts a longer time. Okay, so it's a long duration of contraction. And they produce a low maximum tension. So they don't produce a ton of force, okay? But they do produce some. But compared to the other fiber type that we're going to talk about, it's a low level of tension that we're making. So these, you can kind of think of these as are like sort of endurance type fibers. These are for when you want to do like kind of a slow, steady, weak contraction in your body. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at fast twitch fibers, which is the other main type that we're going to talk about. Fast twitch fibers also go by the name of type 2X or glycolytic fibers. Here's a location in the body where you can find a fast twitch fiber. This is a cross section through a fast twitch muscle fiber, not one muscle fiber, but several muscle fibers that are fast twitch. Okay, so fast twitch fibers have these characteristics. You get a fast development of tension, so that muscle contraction happens very quickly. It's a shorter lasting contraction, and it's a stronger contraction. You reach a higher maximum tension, okay? So these are kind of more used for activities where you want to generate a lot of force all at once for a limited period of time. Okay, so just kind of like a quick short burst of muscle contraction.